back here at the Mall of Asia Arena as the DLSU Lady Spikers celebrate their 8th championship here for the very first time in Pasay City. And I am honored to be with, right now, our player of the game, our Shakey's best player, brought to you by Shakey's Fun Family Pizza. Let's all give it up for the captain, Abby Maraño. Abby, they're all hearing you here at the Mall of Asia Arena. Naririnig ka nila. Alam ko na iiyak ka. Sinasabi mo kanina, maraming beses tayo nagkakwentuhan, sinabi mo sa akin, malaking sakripisyo ang kailangan para marating yung narating nyo ngayon at yung narating nyo the last 3 years. Ikwento mo sa amin, anong klaseng sakripisyo yung pinag-uusapan natin dito?
Siguro, sakripisyo dun sa oras mo, sa pamilya, sa kaibigan, and syempre, kung paano mo i-manage yung studies mo. At sakripisyo din sa bawat training, araw-araw namin ginagawa, araw-araw na pinaghihirapan namin yung gusto namin gawin, iisa lang eh. So, alam mo yun, kahit araw-araw kami napapagod, araw-araw kaming tagaktak sa pawis, sa dugo, lahat, iisa lang yung gusto namin maabot. Kaya kahit gaano kahirap yung hirap na dinadaanan namin, talagang makikita mo sa bawat manlalaro, sa Lasal, na talagang lalaban sila hanggang sa dulo na marating nila yung mga pangarap nila.
Alam ko, naiiyak ka ngayon because of the moment. What right now is making you cry? Not just the championship, I know, Abby. Marami tayo na pag-usapan tungkol dyan. Pero itong moment na to na naiiyak ka, what's going through your head?
It's all the challenges I've been through and yung team ko, sobrang hindi ko may explain kung gaano kahirap yung challenges na binigay sa amin. As individuals, yung personality mo, paano ka mag-grow, paano ka magmamature, and syempre, yung challenge na binibigay ni God para mas lalo kaming maging firm and tumayo kami ng diretso, nakataas no, para sa Kanya, dahil nagpapasalamat kami sa Kanya.
Alam ko, you will always say that an individual award will come next to a championship. Pero pag-usapan natin, mabilis lang yan, 2 MVP. What does that say to you? What does that mean to you? 2 MVPs.
Well, hindi ko siya talaga i-expect kasi I'm not playing after the award, after the MVP award. But I'm playing for the championship and for the glory na ibibigay ko sa school, sumusuporta sa akin at sa mga tao na naniniwala sa amin. Kung ano man yun na binibigay sa'yo, bonus na yun eh. Pero it's all about the complete package of a player that makes her shine.
And you are a complete package. Congratulations, Abby. All your sacrifices do not go down the drain. The MVPs, the championships, thank you for everything. And go ahead and enjoy your championship. We'll go to Mosey Ravenna with her head coach.
Coach Ramiel. I'm here with Coach Ramiel De Jesus, the winning coach. Coach, you know, I've known you since college. I just want to say that I'm very proud at you are really one of the best, Coach. At alam mo, Coach, ano ba talaga ang sekreto mo why you are successful in your coaching career?
Siguro yung hard work lang. So, yun. Kasi kailangan kasi na talagang tuto ka sa trabaho mo, then hindi lang sa trabaho, pati sa mga bata, kailangan nakatuto ka din. Kailangan monitor mo lahat kung ano yung mga ginagawa nila. So, yun lang siguro.
Well, nabanggit mo nga, it also helps na mababait yung mga players mo, di ba?
Oo, mababait. In terms of, basta nagkaroon ng problema, pinagsabihan mo, nakikinig naman. Yan.
Well, Coach, how sweet ba itong number 3?
Sweet siya kasi ito na yung fruit of labor ng mga bata. Kasi lalo-lalo sa mga senior players na nag-graduate, like Melissa Going and Westview. So, napaka-tamis ito para sa amin.
Parang hindi ka masyadong nasisweet kasi gusto mo ng 4 tsaka ng 5.
Hindi na muna namin iniisip yan.
Well, Coach, siguro unang-una, say a few words to mga graduating players mo rin.
Nagpapasalamat ako, lalo-lalo sa mga players ko. Lalo-lalo kay Melissa Going, na tinapos yung playing years. Ganun din kay Wensyu na nagsaga para matapos yung playing years niya. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa lahat ng supporters, lalo-lalo na sa lahat ng Lasalian community na pumunta dito para sumuporta sa team. Thank you.
Well, Coach, also yung mga fans na nag-undertime tsaka nag-absent para panoodin kayo today.
Oo nga eh. So nakakatuwa. Dahil yung iba talagang galing pa sa mga provinces, talagang pumunta na dito para talagang to watch this championship.
Well, again, thank you, Coach, and congratulations to you and your entire team. Now, Boom is with Michelle Gumabao and Ara Galang.
Maraming salamat, Mosey. Congratulations kay Coach Ramil. Yes, I am with the finals MVP, the co-MVP, and the champion, the LSU Lady Spiker, Michelle Gumabao, Ara Galang. I'll start with you, Michelle. It's a normal question that I have to ask, but how sweet is this third one? How different is it, in your opinion?
Siguro, it's very rewarding na andito lahat ng tao watching us play. Yung crowd talaga, iba yung naging effect sa amin ngayon. And siguro it was sweet because it was a 3 straight set win. So sobrang blessing talaga sa amin lahat, and we thank God for everything talaga. Walang na-injure this whole season, so super blessing talaga ito para sa amin.
One quick question, Michelle. Was there any doubt that this was going to end today in your minds coming into the Mall of Asia Arena?
Wala talaga. So, sinabi talaga sa amin ni Coach ever since the start of this season na kaya namin manalo. So, kanina, before coming into the MOA Arena, we conditioned our mind. We really believed na kaya talaga namin mag-champion, and we did it. So, it's very rewarding feeling talaga.
I'm sure. Ara, 2 championship na kaagad. May MVP ka pa. Ang dami mo pang ilalaro, mga 3 taon pa ang ilalaro mo. I-describe mo sa amin ang pakiramdam mo ngayon dahil napakasikat mo sa De La Salle community.
Hindi ko rin ma-describe kasi as in lahat ng emotions, saya lahat, nandiyan excitement, nandiyan na lahat. Tsaka sobrang thankful ako kay Lord, tsaka sa coaches ko, teammates ko na nandiyan lagi para sa akin. Tsaka lahat ng family ko, mga friends and supporters lahat, sobrang thankful ako.
Sa'yo, anong kaibahan ng championship last year at saka this year? Other than you won an MVP also.
Siguro last year kasi mas less yung pressure kasi rookie ako, so okay lang yung magkamali. Ngayon kasi hindi na pwede kasi lalo na ngayon may award. Siyempre dapat lahat dapat perfect na yung smooth na yung galaw. Tsaka dapat yung tiwala ko sa sarili mas buo.
Hey Michelle, what can you say about Ara and the rest of your teammates? But I want you to single out Ara just for this interview.
Siguro for Ara, I really believe na she's gonna continue playing as she is and improve pa. When she came here, she was already good, pero ang laki ng in-improve niya. She's very humble. Super proud kami lahat para kay Ara. She's bloomed into a very good volleyball player all around. The spiking, serving, sa lahat ng areas ng volleyball, kaya niya. So she really deserves this co-MVP award together with Abby. We're so proud of her.
At gagaling pa, no doubt. It was a pleasure covering both of your careers. I know it's not yet over and all that, but whatever happens next year, congratulations, Michelle. Congratulations, Ara. Thank you very much for coming to this interview. And Mosey Ravena with Mika Reyes.
Thank you, Boom. I'm dwarfed here by Mika Reyes. Mika, 2 years in DLSU, 2 successful years. Anong masasabi mo doon?
Sobrang saya ko po. Since lahat po ng pinagpagura namin buong taon, ito na po yung kinahantokan. Sobrang saya talaga.
Talaga namang dapat masaya. And Mika, gusto ko lang malaman, kasi tuwing tinatawag ka rito, grabe talaga yung sigawan ng fans. Ano ba ang feeling?
Thankful po ako sa support nila, and thankful din po kasi yung support nila yung team namin, and sana po hindi po sila magsawang sumuporta sa team namin.
And another question sa'yo, Mika. Mika, syempre now, naka-3-peat na Lasal, pero ikaw on your 2nd year. What is the future of the LSU with you still playing for Coach Ramil?
Hanggang andyan pa naman po si Coach Ramil, alam po namin, alam niyo na yun. Siyempre, pagpapaguran pa rin po namin every training and sa paghahandaan po namin yung mga games namin. Yun lang po.
Thank you, Mika. Pero I'll give you a chance to say thank you to the many, many fans that are supporting you and the entire team. Hindi lang dito sa arena, kundi rin sa TV, di ba? This is your chance.
Thank you po sa lahat ng sumusupport sa team namin. Thank you so much. And sa mga nanonood po sa TV, sa Dampol Secretary, Palitan Balacan, sa Reyes and Quetano family, sa Marcarinas family, kila Tita Beng, Tito Jude and Julian po na nasa Canada, and sa lahat po ng mga tao, God bless po. Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations again, Mika. Now, Boom!
Yes.
It's with the graduating Melissa Gohe.
Wow, a very emotional Liz Gohing with me here. 5 finals appearances, 4 championships. It cannot get better than that. Liz, describe to me, I know it's a feeling that you always want, pero is it something that you get used to, winning championships?
Not really. Like, every championship, it's a blessing. Like, I always thank God. Because it's like every player's dream to be in the championship and get the championship of the UAAP. So I feel really blessed right now. Every championship that we won.
You know, a lot of players obviously have become stars through the years na naglaro ka rin. And I've said this many times in the broadcast, you're one of the most tenacious players the league has ever seen. Saan mo kinukuha yung ganong tenacity mo as a libero, especially in times that you are down, in times na naghahabol kayo?
Maybe it's my perspective that I never give up. Because ever since, that's how my dad trained me, not give up, to never doubt. And also to Coach Ramil that whenever we're, even though they're ahead of 2 sets from us, we still think that we can win the game and not give up. That's all.
I have 2 more questions for you, Liz, real quick. I want you to say something about your opponent, Ateneo, because a lot of them are friends of yours and batchmates of yours also who came into the league at the same time.
Thank you for giving us a good game, especially the game 1. And mag-reunion na kami kasi laging hindi natutuloy yung reunion namin. So finally, we'll have a reunion after this.
There you go. That's a revelation. One last, what's going to happen to you right now?
As of now, I will rest. I will rest and continue my masters if ever. And then I will still visit the girls because I'm gonna miss them for sure. And may God do the rest.
We will miss you watching you play, Liz. I'll say that. Okay, congratulations. 4 championships, 5-time finalist Liz Gohing. We'll take a break. We'll be back here at the Mall of Asia Arena.